So, you just decided you want to become an AI engineer. Great. Fantastic. Another soul has entered the gauntlet. Let's talk about this fantasy for a second. Because AI engineer isn't a job, it's a marketing label stapled onto 5 different careers, duct taped together, and sold to you by the broken expectation machine. You think you're going to build Skynet. In reality, you're centering a div inside a Jupyter notebook. While debugging a CUDA error from 2019, hit the like button to get served. You're going to need protection for what's coming next. Stage 1, Enlightenment. This is where it starts. You say, I'll just learn Python. Python is easy. 2 weeks later, you're drowning in NumPy arrays that don't broadcast. Pandas doing silent data corruption. 69 lines of YAML config for a model you don't understand. You haven't even touched AI yet. You're just cleaning CSV files written by demons. Tutorial hell welcomes you with open arms. Stage 2, Overconfidence. Now you've watched 3 videos. You can say words like gradient descent, overfitting, bias, variance trade-off. You feel dangerous. Then someone asks, why is your model unstable? And your answer is silence. Because you copied the hyperparameters from a Medium post written in 2018. This is where you realize AI is just statistics in a trench coat. And the math? It's waiting for you in a dark alley. Stage 3, Reality check. Now you try to get hired. Job posting says, Junior AI Engineer, 5+ years experience, PhD preferred, must deploy models to production, must know Kubernetes, must explain transformers on a whiteboard, on the spot. You're expected to train models, deploy them, monitor drift, explain OAuth 2.0 for no reason. And somehow not melt under context switching. This isn't engineering. It's a survival game. Stage 4, Production hell. Your model works in the notebook. Then it hits production. Suddenly, latency matters. Costs matter. Data shifts. The model gets dumber every week. Now you're duct taping, Kafka pipelines, feature stores, retraining jobs. All for a to-do app that didn't need AI in the first place. Welcome to technical debt. It compounds faster than interest. Stage 5, Acceptance. Here's the part nobody tells you. Real AI engineers aren't doing magic. They're doing boring, brutal engineering. They write tests. They read logs. They debug legacy ruins built by someone who left the company to pursue other opportunities. You're not special. You're just another dev fighting entropy. And that's okay. So, should you become an AI engineer? Maybe or maybe not. Thank you for sitting through another dumb tech rant. Like and subscribe to eat at our table. See you in the next one.